The world has seen fast cars. It has seen beautiful cars, but it has never seen a Bugatti that redefines both speed and serenity. Imagine a masterpiece of motion, stretching like a private jet, gliding like silk on the open road, yet carrying the soul of a Bugatti Chiron. This is the Bugatti Motorhome 2026, a $12 million fusion of hypercar performance and royal comfort. It's not built for racing circuits. It's built for the roads less traveled, the long golden highways where technology and tranquility move together. Before you skip ahead, stay with us till the end, because what's inside this creation will redefine what home on wheels truly means. Born from speed, the opening shot, a deep midnight blue silhouette resting under the soft lights of a private Bugatti design studio in Molsheim, France.
The camera glides slowly across its polished surface, chrome edges glowing under the golden studio light. The designer's vision was simple yet radical: to create the world's most elegant home
that still beats with the heart of a hypercar. The front fascia bears Bugatti's iconic horseshoe grille, seamlessly merging into LED light strips that shimmer like liquid energy. The body panels are sculpted from aerospace-grade carbon composite, lighter than titanium yet strong enough to endure hurricane winds. Aerodynamic curves flow from nose to tail, each line serving both beauty and function. At the rear, a retractable spoiler doubles as a solar wing, spreading open like the tail of a peacock, capturing sunlight while enhancing downforce. The wheels, massive 28-inch alloy hybrids, wear a special chrome neon blue finish, perfectly balancing aggression with elegance. Every inch whispers one thing. Inside the moving palace, the camera fades into the interior cabin. Doors open upward like butterfly wings, welcoming you into another dimension. As your foot touches the floor, ambient lighting responds to your movement, glowing in soft blue hues that shift with your heartbeat. The walls are wrapped in hand-stitched Alcantara and French walnut panels, seamlessly merging modern minimalism with Bugatti's timeless craftsmanship. In the lounge, a 360-degree rotating sofa automatically repositions to face the scenery as the vehicle moves, giving passengers a panoramic view of the world gliding by. A hidden OLED display rises from the marble dashboard, connecting to Bugatti's ethereal AI, a voice assistant that controls temperature, aroma, music, and even mood lighting. The bedroom suite feels more like a 7-star hotel than a motorhome. A retractable memory cloud bed adjusts firmness automatically. Smart glass walls turn opaque for privacy with a touch. Above, a starlight ceiling mimics real constellations in motion. The kitchen is minimalist luxury, an induction counter with Bugatti's signature C-curve, champagne chiller, and robotic espresso maker that remembers your exact morning preference. Even the bathroom feels poetic. A rain shower with built-in aromatherapy and a floor that warms to your body temperature. This is not travel. This is motion art. The engineering symphony. Underneath that flawless exterior lies a machine unlike any other motorhome. At its core, a quad-E hybrid hypersystem, combining Bugatti's legendary W16 engine architecture with a dual electric setup, delivering a staggering 2,000 horsepower. The sound? A soft, controlled hum, tuned to be as soothing as ocean waves unless you press the beast mode paddle to 100 km/h. In under 3.8 seconds, unbelievable for a motorhome of this size. Top speed, 280 km/h electronically limited. Range, 200 kilometers on combined hybrid mode. Its aerodynamic control system automatically adjusts the ride height, air flaps, and energy flow depending on terrain. On highways, it glides low like a sports car. On mountains, it rises high for comfort and stability. Solar panels integrated on the roof and rear wings supply up to 40% of energy on daylight. Travel, a tribute to sustainable innovation. And then there's Bugatti's ethereal drive AI, which learns your driving habits, predicts upcoming curves, and subtly adjusts torque to match your comfort level. It's not just autonomous, it's intuitive. The spirit of travel. Cut to a scene of the Bugatti Motorhome cruising along the French Riviera. waves glistening beside it. Golden hour light reflects off its curves, while drones capture breathtaking aerial shots. Inside, the passengers sip espresso, the seats gently massaging their backs as soft jazz hums in the background. Outside, people stop and stare, not out of envy but awe. Because this is not just luxury. This is philosophy on wheels. Bugatti designed the 2026 motorhome not merely as transportation, but as a sanctuary for the modern explorer, those who value silence, beauty, and power coexisting. It invites you to escape the noise, to chase horizons with grace, and to make every mile feel like art. The night of elegance. The final sequence unfolds under a moonlit sky. The Bugatti Motorhome rests on a mountain viewpoint overlooking a glowing city. Its ambient lights shift from deep blue to silver white, casting a celestial glow across the landscape. The solar wing folds. The starlight ceiling activates and soft instrumental music plays. Inside, a voiceover whispers, "In a world that never stops, Bugatti found motion in peace. In a universe of machines, it built something human. And in the pursuit of speed, it discovered stillness." The camera slowly pans away, showing the Bugatti as a floating masterpiece of technology and emotion. The logo fades in. Bugatti Motorhome 2026, the art of speed and serenity. The future of luxury travel has arrived, where hypercar passion meets home comfort. Would you live in a Bugatti if you could? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again on The Next Engine, where we bring tomorrow's machines to life. Today.